Thank you so much for talking to us. Let's talk a bit about Intersec 2022. Back after 2 years, what has the show meant to you and what does it mean to you in 2022?
For us, it's about getting back out in the world and seeing people. I think we've seen some great new people here, but we've also had some customers flying around the world to come and see us and catch up that we haven't managed to be in contact with for or be in touch with face to face for the last couple of years. So it's exciting to be here in Dubai and nice to get out of the UK for a bit of good weather and to catch up with some great people and good customers of ours.
Let's talk about your products and innovations on offer at the show. Would you say you've got some truly innovative products at the show?
Yeah, we have. We're showcasing 3 of our systems here. So we've got the kitchen system, vehicle system, and electrical control panel system. At the show, literally yesterday, we took delivery of our LPCB LPS 1666 certificate, so that's exciting for us. We've been, obviously COVID's put delays on that, but we did the fire test a long time ago, so that really showcased that for us. It's a sort of a real great thing for us to showcase while we're here.
And looking ahead at 2022 and perhaps the next 12 months after that, what does the market outlook look like for you, especially in this region and the rest of the world?
So in this region, we've just partnered up with Tebra, our new UAE partner, and that's exciting for us. There's a lot of changes happening with demand for our products in this region, so I think it's a really exciting time for us, right. And to work with some new partners that we signed up last year. So it's a good launch for us. It's all the timing has come together really nicely.
Excellent, and we can only wish you the best for the rest of the year and the years after that. Thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thanks very much. Thanks for coming and chatting. It's really good.
Cheers.